Extremely important announcement, guys. Extremely important announcement. You're not going to want to miss this. Check it out. What's going on, guys? Let's go ahead and jump into this video. Now, this video, what I want to do is I want to start off with a little background on myself. Some of you guys are new. The channel has grown a lot over the last few months, so you might not be familiar with my early videos. So I'm going to give you a little bit of background on me, on myself, and then I'm going to let you know, a little bit further details of what this whole thing, I'm going to fund your account means. But first, let's go ahead and jump into that. And before we do, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and let me explain to you why I say that. Normally, you wouldn't know this unless you're a YouTuber, and that's the importance of having your audience interact with you. When you guys smash the like button, believe me, you support my channel. Okay, you really do. When you smash that like button, you support my channel. When you comment in the comment section below, you support my channel. When you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, you support my channel. When you share my links on your social media, letting your friends and family and fellow investors and traders and finance people and just generally people who you want to see this information, that supports my channel. All those things support my channel. And because you guys do that so much, the interaction that you have with me is so good and valued. I'm going to do this because I want to give back to you. You see, when I started this channel because I'm a self-employed person. I've been self-employed for 15, 16 years now. I think 16. I'd have to look at paper. So after a certain time, you don't even pay attention to it anymore. You just wake up in the morning and do what you have to do. You go on the hunt for money, right? Like back in the prehistoric times, you would go hunting for food. In this case, I wake up every day and I hunt for money so that I can, put food on the table, make sure the bills are paid, keep our roof over our heads for my family and I. And that's what I do. And that's what I've been doing for all these years, right? Just trying to get ahead, trying to live out the dream. And for me, the dream isn't just to have a pile of money or a big number on an account or various accounts. The dream for me has always been freedom. It's always been that. When I had my crappiest job in the world and lived at home with my parents, I would look at my expenses for the month and then calculate, okay, Jesse, how much do you need to sell stuff on eBay and profit so that you can leave this crappy job? And I'm talking about doing this, as like a 17-year-old, 18-year-old, just starting out. It's always been my mentality to just make it on my terms, not have to clock in and out, not have to ask a manager for permission to do anything, not having to put in requests for vacation time or days off. That's always been my goal. And I thank God tremendously that I've been able to achieve that goal. My goal was always that. And then to purchase our house, have nice cars, have a nice boat, and have it all paid for. Now the house isn't paid for yet, but I'm certainly working on that. Get into real estate investing. I'm into that as well. So all these things, I don't say them because they're like, notches on my belt. Oh, look at me. I just say them because it's my background. It's always been my goal to get into these things little by little. And I'm no millionaire. I'm not a millionaire. I'm a middle-class person. And I'm just chipping away at it, trying to get ahead, trying to build off of what my parents built so that when I leave this earth and I leave, inheritance for my kid or my kids, I have a daughter, that they have a nice fat platform to continue building off of. This is how legacies are built. They're built one generation at a time. Sure, sometimes some people come up with huge ideas or have amazing backing and they're able to go from zero to billionaire in the course of 5, 10, 15 years. I don't know that's ever going to happen for me, it's realistically speaking, but I do believe that I will be a millionaire, in the coming years. I'm not saying next year, the year after, even within the next 5 years. But in the coming 10, 15, 20 years, I do expect my net worth to be well north of $1 million. And that makes you a millionaire in this country, pretty much anywhere in the world. And I hope that, like I said, the day I leave here, my daughter can build off of that. Now, I've always been wanting to help people. It's always been in my nature in the sense of teaching and showing what I know how to do. I've always wanted to like give that to people around me so that they can learn how to do it as well. Now, mind you, I've done this always for free. I put out this content on YouTube for free. I share my knowledge with my friends and family for free, and I always would. This doesn't mean that if I decided to organize all my content and set it in a course one day that I won't do that. I certainly will. It's not going to happen tomorrow, and that's not what this video is about. It's just that I don't want to be called out later like saying, oh, Jesse, but you always said that you were going to do content for free. My YouTube channel will always have free content on it. It will always have free content on it. But today's video was to give you that little background about me, and now to tell you why I started the channel. I started this channel because I started to feel like the people around me, not all of them, obviously, but the bulk didn't want to listen. Because the majority of people don't want to listen. They don't want to get out of debt. They don't want to live below their means, right? They don't want to live below their means, right? Like if they make $1,000, if they make $2,000 a month, they see it's perfectly fine to have a $500-$600 car payment. It's not. It's not perfectly fine. It's terrible. And you're making yourself broke. And I know that might ruffle some feathers right now and you might unsubscribe, but that's the truth. And that's why, I started this channel, because people didn't want to hear that. They didn't want to hear about stock trading. They didn't want to hear about most of the stuff. So, a couple people in my life, they do listen to me and they ask me, and it's great. I love sharing it, but I wanted to get the message out there even further. And then I started the YouTube channel, and I didn't expect the growth to be as big and paramount as it's been, right? My YouTube channel is still small, but I've gone from nothing to almost 5,000 subscribers like that in the blink of an eye. Last year, my goal was to have 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Before the end of the year, I hit 1,000, and by the end of the year, I had almost tripled that. Okay, and then this year has started, and my goal for this year was 5,000 subscribers, and I'm almost at that already now too. And we're only in February. I should have my 5,000 sometime in March, if not sooner. Who knows? So, while my goal is still 5,000 for the year, and once I reach it, I'll readjust. I have something that I want to give you guys, and what I want to do is once I hit 10,000 subscribers, okay, which seems like it should happen this year, but I'm not setting that goal just yet. Once I hit 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a free giveaway on a follow-up video after that you will have to go through some rules, right? And a random person will be picked, and you will get $500 funded trading account. That's what's going to happen. That'll be my gift from me to you. So that's how I'm going to fund your account. Now, if you want to add on top of that so you can have more money in your trading account, by all means. I'm just giving you the start. I've always said that if I ever become one of these crazy super high millionaires, or multi-millionaires, multi-billionaire, that I would want to help out people around me start businesses. I'm not a millionaire, sure as crap not a billionaire, and I'm not even rich. I'm a middle-class person that lives beneath my means so that I can do things like this. And because I can do it, and because you've supported me and subscribed to the channel, commented in the comment section below, smashed the like button and all this good stuff, I want to help you. And that's how I'm going to help you. I wish I could help everybody, but I can't. I can only help one, and that one person will get the start so they can start trading whenever they're ready. They'll have their account there with $500 to start. They can add to it, and I would say they should always add to it, because starting off with $500 is extremely difficult and stressful. But at least you get something to start. When I started my trading account, nobody handed me a trading account with money in it and said, there you go, buddy, get after it. Nobody did that. And I don't expect that. I don't expect that from anybody. I don't expect free anything from anyone. If something free comes my way, I am extremely grateful and I will take it. But I don't expect it, in other words. There's a generation out there of people, multiples, that think that expect this type of stuff, like they deserve it. Nobody deserves this. This is a gift from me to you, no more than the gift from you to me of supporting my channel. Okay, this is just my way of thanking you, and I am deeply, deeply, deeply thankful. You guys have no idea. I know some people aren't going to believe it, but I am extremely thankful. Heck, yesterday's video or the day before when I did the video announcing this, that I cut it off, it's because I was trying to get a little emotional, because it means a lot to me that so many of you have actually subscribed to my channel because you find value in what I have to say. That makes a person that's sharing, you know, stuff with you that doesn't have to share it and could keep it all to themselves. It makes a person feel good. It really does. It makes me feel good that you guys enjoy the content. And I thank you for that. And this is how I am going to show my gratitude to you. So I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you understand. Let me know what your thoughts are or any other ideas. Drop them in the comment section below. Remember to smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel and I'll catch you on the next one.